Trading involves the buying and selling of financial assets, such as stocks, bonds, commodities, or cryptocurrencies, with the aim of making a profit from short-term price movements. It's a process where traders analyze market trends, news, and technical indicators to make informed decisions about when to enter or exit a trade. Let's delve into the platforms you mentioned and how they facilitate trading. Binance. Binance is one of the largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges globally, offering a wide range of digital assets for trading. Here's how it works. Registration. Users need to sign up for an account on the Binance platform. Deposits. Once registered, users can deposit funds into their Binance account using various methods, including bank transfers and cryptocurrency deposits. Trading. Binance provides an intuitive trading interface where users can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies against each other or fiat currencies. The platform offers various order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop limit orders, allowing users to execute trades according to their preferred strategies. Security. Binance employs robust security measures to safeguard users' funds and personal information, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for the majority of funds. Libertex. Libertex is a user-friendly trading platform that offers access to a variety of financial markets, including stocks, commodities, currencies, and cryptocurrencies. Here's how it operates. Account creation. Users can create an account on Libertex's platform by providing the necessary information. Asset selection. Libertex offers a broad range of tradable assets, allowing users to choose the instruments they want to trade. Trading interface. Libertex provides a simple and intuitive trading interface, suitable for both novice and experienced traders. Users can execute trades directly from the platform, with access to advanced charting tools and technical analysis indicators. Risk management. Libertex emphasizes risk management, providing features such as stop-loss orders to help users minimize potential losses. IQ Option. IQ Option is a comprehensive trading platform that offers access to various financial instruments, including stocks, cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and options. Here's an overview of its functionalities. Account setup. Users can create an account on IQ Options platform by completing the registration process. Trading options. IQ Option offers a wide range of trading options, including binary options, digital options, and forex trading. Users can choose the type of instrument they want to trade and access comprehensive market data and analysis tools. Demo account. IQ Option provides a demo account feature, allowing users to practice trading strategies without risking real money. Educational resources. IQ Option offers educational resources and tutorials to help users learn about trading concepts and improve their skills. Overall, Binance, Libertex, and IQ Option are reputable platforms that cater to traders of all experience levels, providing access to diverse financial markets and offering essential tools and resources to support informed trading decisions. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and practice risk management when trading on any platform. Start trading today with Binance, Libertex, or IQ Option. Links below video description. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.